Hello, I'm Yugi's Electronics. In this video I will show you how you can fix the known problem with the Audi A6 model with the air suspension. I will briefly describe my issue to you so that you can understand what it is about. A few weeks ago, the yellow light for the air suspension came on, which means there is a fault somewhere. And after a while the green light started blinking too. Which of course bothered me a lot. Then I went to the workshop to fix the issue. They read the fault memory and found issues. Then the friendly mechanic told me that the compressor is defective, and it is very likely that both rear air cushions are also defective, and the air pressure cables have to be replaced because they are also very likely leaking somewhere. And the offer was a whopping €2,000 for repairs and parts. Since I've never had a problem with the car, I couldn't believe that files like this are defective all of a sudden. Since I'm a hobby mechanic, I took matters into my own hands. When the two lights came on and started flashing, the first visible problems occurred. That means first thing in the morning when I wanted to drive to work, the rear left cushion was completely empty, the car was completely on the ground at the back. When I started the car after a minute, it goes back to normal. After a few days, the right side, the same. And then the same game with the front axle. Then I bought a VCDS diagnostic unit and read out the fault memory. The control unit was again full of errors. After I checked everything for leaks, I couldn't find any leaks in the air boxes at the back and front, and the compressed air lines were also tight. Then I checked the compressor for functionality, and it is also good for the mileage of the car. Then I experimented a bit and found the real problem. In the video, you will see the defective part. That's the bad valve block for the air suspension that caused all these problems. What is important after changing the unit is that you delete the old errors and enter and save the new values in the control unit. For those who don't know where the valve block and compressor are located, the unit is on the right hand side in the wheel arch, as you can see in the video. After reinstalling the unit, I had to turn off the car lift mode to activate the unit. Now we will see if everything works. Very good, no more errors and the unit works perfectly. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, so I can make more interesting videos in the future.